They say the best things come in small packages, and this set is the ultimate proof. Look at that detail. We are talking about a minimalist, gold chain paired with a stunning, intricate pendant and clubbed with matching studs. It's petite, it's polished, and it's designed to go from your morning coffee run to a candlelit dinner without missing a beat. Effortless elegance for the modern woman. This isn't just jewelry, it's your new daily signature. The Petite Perfection Set. Grab yours now, before they're gone.